And then we are getting ready to start for this grounding meditation. And for that, I'd like you to find a comfortable seat, whether that's your feet flat on the floor or maybe cross-legged. You know best what works. And then see if there's any adjustments in your clothing you like to make, any shoulder rolls, anything you need to do to make yourself more at ease, more relaxed, more able to receive this meditation. And when you're ready, if you haven't already done so, please close your eyes. And then before we really start this grounding meditation, as part of that, set your intention to really make this your time, to really make this into your meditation. And what we will be doing now is a very suitable tool, a very perfect tool for whenever you feel very full, whenever you feel like you want to empty your mind, whenever you feel you're very stuck in your mind, whenever you feel I'm not really here, I'd like to feel more present, more calm in my body. Whenever you feel, for the sensitive beings amongst us, when you're, let's say, an energy sensitive person, when you feel you picked up on stuff, for all those moments, a grounding practice is just what you need, what you can use. And it will help you to feel more present, more alive in your body. So for that, let's get started. So I'd like you to imagine that you are somewhere in nature, maybe your favorite spot, in a forest, maybe at sea, somewhere else, but imagine yourself in nature for a few moments. And imagine that you sit down there in your favorite spot. And you do nothing in particular, you just sit there. And you absorb nature's beauty around you. Maybe it's a certain smell. Maybe it's the elements. Maybe it's the wind, the water. Maybe there's a fireplace. That's very personal. So see which elements you're clicking with, you're resonating with. And let them nurture you. Maybe you can feel them against your skin. Maybe you smell it. But allow your senses to come in touch with these elements of nature. Now as you're sitting here in this beautiful spot, Bring your awareness to your hips, your sacrum, your roots, and your feet. And imagine that you're growing roots from these parts of your body deep down. And maybe you can see the roots growing deeper. Maybe you can see the roots growing bigger and bigger. Follow this process in your own pace. And now you're connected. And then see if there is any tension, any heaviness, maybe any strong energy, maybe negative energy, anything that you'd like to release from your head, from your body. Then allow that to just flow to those roots and just release it, let it go. See if there's more. It's as if you empty yourself with just your intention. And it might be that you sense it leaving your body. But that's not the purpose. It's great if it happens, but you don't need to seek for it. Just giving it permission to leave your body through those roots. Let it go. Okay, and then the roots will still be there, but see if you can gently visualize them dissolving. And then imagine and feel yourself sitting there in your favorite nature spot. Connecting again with the elements. Maybe the sun is shining. Just let your whole body be nurtured with these elements. With the serene, tranquil nature spot. And then just simply become aware of your body. Just awareness of your body. Noticing any sensations. What kind of feelings can you sense in your body? Just awareness of your body here. No particular thing you need to do, just awareness, focus, attention on your body. With ease, with stillness. And with a very subtle alertness. Those are 3 qualities that we'd like to foster here in this grounding meditation. Just becoming aware with a sense of ease, subtle alertness, and stillness. And then without focusing too much, see if you can gently become aware of your breathing. Just a very, very simple inhalation and a very simple exhalation. The aim here is it's not a breathing exercise. It's just awareness and feeling into your body. But now there is an awareness of just your inhalation and your exhalation. And then on your inhalation, fill your body with nurturing, grounding energy. Perhaps there's a word for you that clicks better. But on your inhalation, it's as if you fill your body with newness. And on your exhalation, you let go. Inhalation, fill yourself up. Exhalation, release anything that wants to be released. Inhalation, fill yourself up. Exhalation, let go. I'm going to leave you here to do this for yourself, with yourself, for a few moments. Feeling that strong awareness of your body, that ease, that stillness here in nature. And let your breath fill you up with newness, with new energy. And let your exhale be that of letting go. A few last moments here. And now becoming aware of your whole body. Sometimes it helps to scan the outlines of your body. So noticing where your body stops. So let's say the outside of your body. And scanning that from top to toe. Noticing any sensations in your body. How does your body feel right now? Just a very gentle presence. That calmness of you actually inhibiting your body. Feeling grounded, feeling centered. Reconnected with your body. Feeling the weight of your hips. Perhaps your feet. And remembering those roots that are always there. And then start to take a few deeper inhalations. As if you're breathing in more aliveness every time you inhale. More alertness. And then mentally prepare to, in a few moments, get back to the day-to-day life. See if you'd like to further awaken the body by making any stretches with your feet, ankles, your hands, maybe your face. And then when you feel ready, then please open your eyes.